some means, by whatever means.
We have tried, me and
Yeah,
tell you, we have
yeah.
tried, but
Yeah.
rough.
In which parish though? Which parish?
Trelawney.
Trelawney. Wow. Wow.
Duncan Trelawney.
Duncan Trelawney. I was there recently seeing for a funeral as well. Yeah, my aunt. Yeah. This is your son? Okay. I tap select him here. A sound you have?
Yes.
Where's sound name? Where's sound name? Lyrical sound? So your name Lyrical?
Yeah.
Your name Lyrical? No man, but wait. It's a musical family. Your name Lyrical. She's gonna be a top singer. Okay. What you name?
Because.
So you do management.
Yeah.
Alright.
You do production.
Production. Okay.
Me a print and send out.
Oh, cool,
Promotion.
cool. You're a first time customer?
No.
Regular customer? Yeah, I like it. Pick up yourself. Thanks for patronizing the business.
Okay.
Again, sorry for your loss and looking forward to hearing and seeing from you again. I'll check in for you next week. I'll check in for you, make sure say you're alright. Now I got alright, but we still reject you.
You can't do that.
Yeah.
Cause trust me, it's rough.
Yeah, I can barely imagine because I've never lost anyone that close. So, yeah.
I
Or
lost
at
my
such a young
mother
age.
2020 and now, like a couple weeks before, that be 3 years since he dead, him come dead.
Wow. But you're going to be alright, you know?
Yeah, well, the grace of God, my keep
There
me
you
up so
go.
far.
Yes,
So.
there you go. When you lean in that direction,
How
you'll
am
be
I
fine.
still active after
You're active? Because you get over it now, that's why you get active. You finally get over it.
Good girl.
it? Actually, no, I'm not.
You're not? Well, you're going to be fine, right?
I don't get over it inside, but on the outside I'm fine.
Okay, on the outside you're fine. Okay.
But I understand.
Well, you know, you should talk about it if you want to talk about it, right? Talk to mommy. Mommy will take care of you. I like the way you wear it here, because, you know, I'm trying to do the same thing. Yeah. Although I have more curls than you. Look at mine. Almost like I'm going to locks or something. Which school you attend? St. Peter? Feel like you're a bright girl, you know? No. I just feel like you're a bright girl. A bright girl? That's my girl. Big up yourself, alright? Anyway, not keep you much longer. Sorry for your last time.
Yeah,
Looking forward to hearing from you. I'll talk to you again.
Okay, no problem.
Alright, cool. So there you have it on the delivery trail. Not every day is going to be happy. Some days are going to be sad. And we take those days as well. We take them happy, we take them sad. We love our customers, reaching out to her. I pray for you, you know. Take care.
Okay.
Peace.